Question number 1. The authority for introducing or continuing night patrolling outside the stipulated dates duly advising all concerned is. Answer is option B, JE or SSC Pway sectional. Question number 2. Visual indicator boards for level crossings should be located at a distance of dash meters from the level crossing. Answer is option D, 600 meters. Question number 3. Easement gradient at the time of passage of trains while doing lifting should not be steeper than. Answer is option A, 25 mm per rail. Question number 4. Gauge is measured dash mm below rail table. Answer is option B, 13 mm. Quantity of ballast per meter on concrete sleeper track with 300 mm ballast cushion on straight. Answer is option A, 2.304 m3. Question number 6. When two or more trolleys are running together in the same direction in same lane, care should be taken to ensure that they are kept at least a dash meter apart to safeguard from collision of trolleys. Answer is option B, 100 meter. Question number 7. In PQRS working, auxiliary track should be led at a gauge of. Answer is option A, 3400 mm. Question number 8. The maximum cant that can be provided on broad gauge for speed beyond 110 km per hour. Answer is option B, 165 mm. Question number 9. 20 kmph caution order is prevailing at a deep screening spot. The caution indicator board should be fixed at a distance of dash meters from the work spot as per IRPWM. Answer is option D, 1200 meter. Question number 10. While doing deep screening in LWR territory, if the rail temperature is anticipated to the above TD plus 10 degrees Celsius, we should do the following. Answer is option C. Do a temporary de-stressing at a temperature on Tmax 10 degrees Celsius. Question number 11. All items whether stocked or non-stocked received through stores need to be accounted by the custodian of stores. Answer is option A, true. Question number 12. Trolley is all cases should be. Answer is option A, pushed. Question number 13. The life of detonators is dash years and it can be extended up to 8 years. Answer is option D, 5 years. Question number 14. Level crossing should not be fall within the dash of LWR or CWR. Answer is option C, breathing length. Question number 15. Frequency of overhauling of a level crossing is once in. Answer is option C, 2 years. Question number 16. If a patrolman on the arrival at the end of his beat does not find the next patrolman, he should dash as per the patrol chart. Answer is option A, continue. Question number 17. Maximum accumulation of LAP is dash days. Answer is option C, 300 days. Question number 18. If a male employee undergone family planning operation, then he is eligible for dash days as a special casual leave. Answer is option B, 6 days. Maternity leave for female railway employees eligible for dash days. Answer is option C, 180 days. Question number 20. When employee is kept under suspension, he is eligible for. Answer is option A, subsistence allowance. Question number 21. The standard form SF used for minor penalty charge sheet is dash. Answer is option C, SF11. Question number 22. The minimum formation width for a single and straight broad gauge track in embankment is. Answer is option A, 7,850 mm. Question number 23. Which of the following is visual indicator board for Ldce? Answer is option C, W bar L. Question number 24. Provision of wicket gates for foot passengers need not be provided for dash level crossing. Answer is option C, C class. Option D, C class. Question number 25. DMTR in case of stores matter stands for. Answer is option C, daily material transaction register. Question number 26. The walking speed of patrolmen is taken dash km per hour. Answer is option B, 3 kmph. Question number 27. The minimum clearance of check rail for a curve is dash mm. Answer is option C, 44 mm. Question number 28. What is the instrument used to measure very high velocity winds? Answer is option B, anemometer. Question number 29. Check rail is to be provided in curves where degree of curve is dash or more. Answer is option B, 8 or more. Question number 30. Stress-free temperature is the rail temperature which the rail is free of dash stress. Answer is option B, thermal. Question number 31. Lifting of track should be done to a maximum of dash mm at one time. Answer is option B, 50 mm. Question number 32. The permissible speed over 1 in 8.5 curved switch 52 or 60 kg of PAC sleeper is dash. Answer is option A, 15 kmph. Question number 33. For 52 kg rail section, the weight per meter is dash. Answer is option D, 51.89 kg. Question number 34. Guard rail should be provided on all girder bridges, whether major or minor. Answer is option A, true. Question number 35. The distance places to platform lines at stations made of unserviceable wooden piece shall be provided at an interval of. Question number 35. Answer is option C, 30 meter. Question number 36. The formation is said to be very bad when. Answer is option D, none of the above. Question number 37. Traffic can be allowed only after dash have elapsed after welding of the joint. Answer is option C, 30 minutes. Question number 38. Joggled fish plates with far end bolts shall be provided at 80 wells which have undertaken traffic equal to or more than days of stipulated fatigue life GMT of the rail? Answer is option A, 50%. Question number 39. Joggled fish plate with clamps or two far end bolts on good 80 wells shall be provided on banks having height. Answer is option A, 5 meter or more. Question number 40. In SWR, the gap survey and adjustment should normally be done. Answer is option A, once a year. Question number 41. A length of welded rail greater than dash on broad gauge will normally functions as LWR. Answer is option D, 250 meter. Question number 42. In case LWR is terminated near points and crossing, dash shall be provided between stock rails joint and SEJ as well as between the crossing and SEJ. Answer is option A, 1-3 rail panel. Question number 43. Full form of CWR. Answer is option A, continuous welded rail. Question number 44. Full form of FM. Answer is option A, fouling mark. Question number 45. All insulations for track circuiting in LWR or CWR shall be done by providing glue joints of. Answer is option D, G3L type. Question number 46. Rail temperature shall be recorded using preferably a well calibrated. Option D. Answer is option D, continuous recording type thermometer. Question number 47. The maximum and minimum rail temperature for a continuous period of at least days shall be ascertained for calculating mean rail temperature for the region. Answer is option C, 5 years. Question number 48. In LWR or CWR, reference marks shall be fixed at. Answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 49. The degree of the curve is the angle subtended at the center by a chord of. Answer is option D, 30.5 meter. Question number 50. Reverse curve is formed by two circular curves in. Answer is option B, opposite direction. Question number 51. Full form of DRT. Answer is double rail tester. Question number 52. SRT is used for. Answer is option A, rail testing. Question number 53. Marking of 3 red paint cross in USFT defects indicates. Answer is option A, IMR. Question number 54. Marking of 1 circle with red paint in USFT defects indicates. Answer is option C, DFWO. Question number 55. IMR or IMRW should be removed within days of detection. Answer is option B, 3 days. Question number 56. The speed of trains over Non-interlocked facing points shall not exceed. Answer is option D, 15 kmph. Question number 57. The wear on the outer rail on the curve can be reduced effectively by. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 58. For fan-shaped turnout, to avoid hitting of nose, it should be ensured that the check rail clearance should be between. Answer is option A, 41 to 45 mm. Question number 59. In case of 52 kg CMS crossing, following dimensions should be deducted from the wear measurements to find out the actual wear of nose of crossing. Answer is option A, 2 mm. Question number 60. Gap between the top edge of the tamping blade and the bottom edge of the sleeper in closed position of the tamping tool should be adjusted to. Answer is option C, 15 mm to 20 mm. Question number 61. All rail joints should normally be lubricated. Option A, once in a year. Question number 62. Deep screening should be carried out in the following situations by providing full ballast cushion. Answer is option D, all the above. Question number 63. In case of 60 kg CMS crossings, following dimensions should be deducted from the wear measurements to find out the actual wear of nose of crossing. Answer is option A, 2.5 mm. Question number 64. Work of lifting or lowering of track shall be carried out under the supervision of minimum dash. Answer is option C, Pway. Question number 65. Who is responsible for maintaining the railway land boundaries between stations and at unimportant stations? Answer is option A, SSC Pway. Question number 66. In cutting, maximum distance apart of trolley refugees shall not exceed. Answer is option A, 100 meter in curve. Question number 67. In high banks, maximum distance apart of trolley refugees shall not exceed. Answer is option C, 200 meter. Question number 68. Limits of vertical wear for 60 kg rail section is. Answer is option D, 13 mm. Question number 69. Limits of vertical wear for 52 kg rail section is. Answer is option B, 8 mm. Question number 70. 60 kg 90 UTS rail shall be planned for through renewal after it has carried the minimum total traffic of. Answer is option C, 800 GMT. Question number 71. All primary renewals in future shall be carried out with. Option A, PRC sleeper. Question number 72. Service life of ERC is. Answer is option A, 300 GMT. Question number 73. Service life of metal liners is. Answer is option D, 8 years. Question number 74. All indicators for LP and ALP should be placed on dash side as seen by the LP or ALP. Answer is option B, left hand side. Question number 75. No dash shall be attached to the train. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 76. Push trolley shall be manned by at least dash. Answer is option C, 4 persons. Question number 77. Special class level crossing are having TVU more than. Answer is option A, 50,000. Question number 78. B class level crossing are having TVU more than. Answer is 40,000. Question number 79. At new manned level crossing, which type of barriers should normally be provided? Answer is option A, lifting barrier. Question number 80. All roads crossings should preferably cross the railway line at dash degree. Answer is option B, 90 degree. Question number 81. All interlocked level crossings shall be kept. Answer is option C, normally open to road traffic. Question number 82. The manning and operation of the gates at level crossing located within the outermost stop signals shall be under the control of. Answer is option B, operating department. Question number 83. Periodical census of traffic at all level crossings shall be taken once every. Answer is option A, 3 years. Question number 84. Training and certification of departmental welders and supervisors for AT welding is being done by. Answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 85. The length at each end of LWR and CWR which is subjected expansion or contraction on account of temperature variations is called. Answer is option C, breathing length. Question number 86. When a train travels around a curve at a speed lower than the equilibrium speed, answer is option A, cant excess occurs. Question number 87. The length of track required to resist the pull exerted on rails by the rail tensor during de-stressing is called. Answer is option C, anchor length. Question number 88. An introduction of transition curve laid out as a cubic parabola causes main circular arc to move inwards is called. Answer is option C, shift. Question number 89. The joint of stock rail with the running rail and the approach of the switch rail is called as dash. Answer is option D, SRJ. Question number 90. Full form of SEJ. Answer is option B, switch expansion joint. Question number 91. SOC Pway in chart should do loco, brakeman, rear window inspection once in? Answer is option C, fortnight. Question number 92. SSC Pway in charge do points and crossing inspection on passenger or running lanes in rotation by SSC Pway in charge and JE Pway sectional once in? Option is option B, 3 months. Question number 93. SSC Pway in charge should do inspection on bridges and approaches. Answer is option B, once in a year. Question number 94. SSC Pway in charge should do inspection of bridges and approaches. Answer is option A, before monsoon. Question number 95. The gang master and gang chart or diary shall be in the possession of. Answer is option D, gangmate. Question number 96. Full form of PQRS. Answer is option A, Placer Quick Relaying System. Question number 97. Full form of BCM. Answer is option C, ballast cleaning machine. Question number 98. Full form of DTS. Answer is option B, dynamic track stabilizer. Question number 99. The maximum can that can be provided on broad gauge group D and E roads is. Answer is option C, 140 mm. Question number 100. The canned access should not be allowed to exceed dash for all types of rolling stocks. Answer is option B, 75 mm. Question number 101. As per Official Language Act, communication from central government offices to region B shall be in. Answer is option A, Hindi. Question number 102. What is the periodicity of the meetings of Town Official Language Implementation Committee? Answer is option A, 6 months. Question number 103. What is the official language of Union of India? Answer is option B, Hindi. Question number 104. Which article of the Constitution contains provision regarding the official language of Union of India? Answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 105. Which one is the foreign language included in the 8th schedule? Answer is option C, Nepali. Question number 106. What are all the 3 regions as classified under official languages rules? Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 107. Which ministry takes important decisions pertaining to official languages? Answer is option C, Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 108. Who is the chairman of Central Hindi Samiti or Committee? Answer is option A, Prime Minister. Question number 109. How many Hindi courses are prescribed for central government employees? Answer is option D, 4. Question number 110 and last question. Karnataka is situated in region dash as per official language rules. Answer is option C, C region.